So it is said the yoga practice is a process of suspending the present reaction of the mind through the senses towards the environment. Then it is said the mind knows its original state of existence, because now it has no time to be itself. It is behaving, it is in the process of becoming the environment. When it is very busy in the outward activity, it has no time to be itself. We should know how the mind will be in its original state, for which we have no time till now. He says, let us have some time. Then in the next step he says, the environment is making its presence forced upon the mind, and the mind is a receiving pole. It is not allowed to be free. The world is too much with us. That is what the poet Wordsworth says. That is, we are not allowed to live as we are, because we are not left alone by the world. That is what Wordsworth says, the world is too much with us. So, this mind is called I am bias. That is, the helpless fellow who has no time to live as himself. He is called the I am by every one of us. The result is we are living as helpless fellows, very busy all through the day, having no time to live as ourselves. We have to live as our program, or as our expectation, or as our obligation, or as our admiration, or as our appreciation. But we are not permitted to live as ourselves. Always the mind is at the receiving end. Therefore, this I am is called negative I am. That is, the I am in the receiving pole. At this stage, we have nothing except to receive from outside. We do not know whether we have some interior or not. In such a way, we spend 30 years or 40 years or 50 years of age, very busy all through the day, sometimes busy into the night also. We think that we are working to achieve something, to be happy someday or other. We want to earn money to be happy. We want to make a big house to be happy. Or we want to establish a big ashram to be happy. Or we want to establish some big office. Always we want to do something, because we cannot do anything. But at the same time, we are doing something or other which has no real meaning to the inner man. There is a big activity going on with a tremendous speed, but no distance is gained. It is like a motor car lifted upon its jockeys in the service car wash garage and then driven at a high speed of 150 kilometers. The wheels are going on at a high speed. The oil is burnt. There is big noise, but the car is there. It is not gaining any space, because its wheels are lifted upon the stands. So, such an activity is going on when we are very busy with our daily routine. When we are doing something, the next item of the program is driving us. So, something is driving us and we are not moving. That is what Patanjali explains in the next stage. And we are living like the negative I am, the slave of environment, always driven by the environment. this should be stopped and an activity which is in the right direction should be established.